Hello, good morning. I'm Jordi Asensi. I'm the logistic manager at the Andora pavilion, and welcome to the Andora pavilion. Andorra is a super small country between France and Spain, and actually what we are doing here at the Expo 2020 is to show, first of all, where the country is, because not all the people knows where Andorra is. Europe is well known, but not here in the Emirates and in the Middle East. And we use this model here to show the country. So first of all, Andorra is in Europe, and it's this small spot here on the map. It's just between France and Spain, and it's a super small country. It's 468 square kilometers. That is not a lot. It's smaller than Bahrain, for example, and population it's 78,000 people only. Just to give you an idea of the size, France is in the north and Spain is in the south. So if you go from France to Spain, crossing Andorra, it will be around 45 kilometers only. So it will take 1 hour. This is Andorra compared to Palm Jumeirah, so it's really small. The other thing is that our country is so small that we put the whole country inside the pavilion because this is the whole country. The population lives mainly in the valleys, in the bottom of the valleys. There are several cities, small towns I will say. Nation's capital, it's Andorra la Vella, that means Andorra the Old, and it's 30,000 people only. And the villages go from 30,000 to 3 people. We have a small village, a small town with only 3 people, a family there. Even though we are a small country, we receive 8 million tourists per year. And they are coming to Andorra mainly for the ski, the winter, but also for shopping because our taxes are really low. It's like Dubai, we're kind of a tax-free country. Normally the people, they come from Spain and France, but also from other parts of Europe, and we hope after the Expo 2020, people from the Emirates and from the Middle East will come to Andorra because they will find that it's interesting to come. Part of that, as you can see, all mountains. We don't have an international airport inside the country, so the best way to go to Andorra will be either from Barcelona, that is 2.5 hours apart, driving or by bus, or from Toulouse. It's a smaller airport, but it's in France. We are part of the Schengen agreement, so if you're good to go to France or Spain, you're good to go to Andorra. Apart of that, we are a touristic country, but also we are a place to make investments and to do innovation. Investments because our government is working hard to attract companies to come to Andorra. And at the same time, in the innovation area, we are trying to create kind of a living lab in Andorra because since we are a country, but a small country, we can test new ideas, new products in Andorra, know how are they working, and a part of that, just scale in different places. So more or less this will be what Andorra is, and I invite you to come to the pavilion where you will see this nice model that we have here, and it's real image. I mean, this is how the country is, it's in scale, and all the images that we project over this model are real satellite images and cartographic images. So you will see the country for real with all the shapes and the mountains. And also we'll try to host you to learn to show you more about the country, not only with this model here, also with a nice video that we have an immersive experience. So please come to the Andorra pavilion, and we'll try to show you more about our small country, Andorra.